Welcome back to APUSH in under 3 minutes. No time for intros, so let's get into it. So this African American civil rights movement has gotten really big by the 60s. So the big idea here is, all these other groups of minorities are seeing the success of this big movement and are getting inspired to do something similar with their group. We have 5 groups to go over in this video, so let's get into it. Latinos will start the Chicano movement, where leaders like Cesar Chavez will form the United Farm Workers to fight low wages and poor working conditions. An example of things they did were non-violent things, such as a national consumer boycott of California table grapes. This would lead to union contracts, better wages, and safer working conditions. Moving on though, American Indians formed their own movement as well. The goal here was to reclaim their own rights and protest government treatment. The two big things that happened here were that Native American groups would forcibly occupy the prison Alcatraz and the town of Wounded Knee in an effort to protest the federal government. But now let's move over to Asian Americans. This one was more focused on giving Asians their own identity in America, and lots of what you see here are college protests against anti-Asian racism. Now let's move over to feminism. If you remember in the past, we had our era of first wave feminism. Now we are in the technical second wave, where women are going to advocate for full equal rights, such as equal pay, workplace equality, and an equal rights amendment. An organization here popularized was the National Organization for Women, or NOW. And a really important book made here was Bessie Friedan's The Feminine Mystique, which exposed the lack of fulfillment an American housewife truly has. And finally, the LGBTQ+ community had their own movement as well to try and fight discrimination and demand recognition. A key turning point in this movement was the Stonewall riots, which would eventually lead to a later gay liberation movement. That's all for this topic. On the screen now are AP-style questions for this topic. Pause now. I'll put the answers on the screen now. I will see you in the next one.